Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this webinar about the challenges of standardization in additive manufacturing, which is taking place in the main building of the Technological Park of the Las Palmas de University in Gran Canaria. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Mario Monzón, a professor in the Mechanical Engineering Department in Las Palmas de Gran Canaria University, member of the Spanish Association of Rapid Manufacturing, and also member of the ISO TC261 Committee for Standardization in Additive Manufacturing. Today we have a webinar where we have some experts about additive manufacturing and standardization, which we think is an important thing nowadays because we are facing a crucial milestone where maybe in the near future the new standards in additive manufacturing are going to allow the possibility of spreading the additive manufacturing technologies in the industry in all over the world. Because everybody knows the limits of we have today in some in the availability of some standards in some sectors like aeronautical, medical, and automotive. Today we have 4 speakers. And first of all, we have Ian Gibson. We have here in the table, and he's going to talk about the future of 3D printing. Afterward, I'm going to comment something about the current works in ISO and STM related to additive manufacturing. The third talk is Frits Vinstra from TNO in the Netherlands. He's going to comment about the activities carried out in the SASAM project, which is a European project, and we have now we collaborate in this European project about standards and about additive manufacturing. And finally, we have Martin Schiffer from Siemens, Germany, and he's going to comment something about standardization of additive manufacturing from the industry point of view. Just in case I forget this at the end of this event, I would like to say some acknowledges, for example, to ASERM, the Spanish Association of Rapid Manufacturing, in particular to Felipe Esteve, and because of the support and in arranging this event. Also to all the members of SASAM project, particularly to Fritz, and Suni, and Martin, for the help and support, and of course to our team here in Las Palmas de Gran Canaria University, and to Noelia and Zaida mainly. Just to remind you, I'm not sure you can see in the screen the email address where you can send your question during the conference. It's very important for us to receive your question because it's a good way for having a feedback of our followers and in the internet. And you can send the email. I'm not sure. Can we see the email address? I'm not sure. I think you can see it in the screen because I don't have here the screen of internet. So let's see over the first speaker. First speaker is Ian Gibson. Ian Gibson is a professor in the National University of Singapore and the Engineering Design and Innovation Center. He has been working in additive manufacturing for over 20 years. Many people know about 3D printing the past year. He's working about 20 years on this. A well-known figure in this field, and he helped to establish the Rapid Prototyping Journal, which is a journal with high impact in this particular field. And GARPA is a global alliance of rapid prototyping associations. And several books, for example, Additive Manufacturing from Rapid Prototyping to Direct Digital Manufacturing. It's a very interesting book. I recommend you all to have it. And numerous other initiatives. Recently, he has involved in establishing a new design center in Singapore. And the coming year, he's moving to Australia, to the Deakin University. So I think this is a fourth time or fifth time you have moved to different places in the world: Hong Kong, Singapore, Australia. So he's going to present something about the future of 3D printing, what is true, what is not so true. Very interesting speech. Yeah.